Loving yourself isn't something that appears suddenly, it's something you build, step by step, through how you treat yourself every day. First, it starts with how you talk to yourself. Most people are kind to others but very harsh with themselves. If you make a mistake and your first thought is, "I'm stupid," or "I'm not good enough," that slowly destroys your confidence. Try changing that voice. Speak to yourself like you would to a friend, with patience, not judgment. Second, you need to accept that you're not perfect. No one is. Loving yourself doesn't mean thinking you're perfect, it means accepting your flaws without hating yourself for them. You can improve and still accept who you are right now. Another important part is keeping small promises to yourself. When you say, "I'll study," "I'll exercise," or "I'll wake up early," and you actually do it, you build trust with yourself. That trust becomes confidence. Also, stop comparing yourself constantly. There will always be someone better, richer, or more successful. Comparing yourself all the time makes you feel less than. Instead, compare yourself to who you were yesterday. That's the only comparison that helps you grow. Take care of your body and mind. Sleep well, eat better, move your body, and take breaks. These simple things send a message to yourself, "I matter." And finally, forgive yourself. You've made mistakes, like everyone. Holding guilt forever doesn't help. Learn from it, then move forward. Loving yourself is not about feeling amazing all the time. It's about choosing to respect yourself, even on days you don't feel your best.